I really wanted my TV to be smart, but not too smart. You know, with 2 small kids running around, I just don't really have the time for cluttered menus or TVs with too many features. And just at that stage where I just want a TV to be easy. And my Philips TV is exactly that. Yeah, just everything you'd expect from a smart TV these days. It's just very easy to use. I mean, the home screen is very straightforward. With a few clicks, I have access to all my favorite apps, and you know, it's so intuitive, the dashboard, that even my kids can figure it out, so it's great. That's not the only thing I love. I mean, thanks to the 4K, everything is just so real. The picture is crystal clear, the colors are natural, the motion is flawless. It's like the action's happening right here in the room. I would say it's a really great value for your money, yeah.